Hi, my name is Dr. Liraz Margalit and I'm a digital psychologist. With great power comes great responsibility. When talking about behavioral design, we shape the decision, we shape the motivation, and we shape the experience for our users. But we need to use it carefully and wisely since we have a powerful tool here. And this is the powerful tool of understanding our users' motivations, of understanding how our brains operate and how our customers make decisions. In recent years, we kept on hearing about the critical role of emotions in driving engagement and experiences and brand awareness. But nobody knows and nobody tells you how emotions drive digital experiences. So now, what I like to teach you is how you can use emotions as a gateway to our memory. And by using emotions, you can actually shape the memory of your customers from their online experiences. And we know that experience is not happen in the physical world. Experience happens in a customer's mind. So it is so important to understand what your customers is going to remember from its experience, digital experience or physical experience.